Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a new account on the Paysera application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the wallet button down below in the left side corner of the screen, and after that click on the settings button in the upper left corner. Then scroll down and tap on my accounts. Click on create a new account in the middle of the screen. Select whether it's a personal account or a shared account. Then type in the name of the account. Click on confirm. As you can see, it has been created, so here you can see it at the top of the screen. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.